Hello, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and today's video is all about this portable desk organizer. It's from OrbitKey. My friend was kind enough to chuck this over to me so I can have a look at it before he's actually opened it. As you can see, it's still in its wrapper. Quite keen to get into this. I've had it for ages and he's probably wanting it back. So I'm just going to get straight and I'm going to get this wrapper off. Let's do it as nicely as possible because I don't know if he's ever going to want to keep any of this. That is just tissue paper, but I'm going to try and do it neatly. So he's going to want it back, just in case he wants it back. So just put that over there. Okay, so we've got it's an OrbitKey, and it's a portable desk organizer with built-in wireless charger. Now, I've got to be honest, never heard of this before. This is the first time I've seen this, and the first time I've actually opened it. I haven't looked into it. I don't know what exactly it is, and obviously a desk organizer. He's told me a couple of things about it, but let's just have a look on the back. All right, so it looks really neat. It's nice. Let's see a picture of it next to your laptop, which is brilliant. Okay, so it's an OrbitKey Nest. It's a home for all your everyday essentials, including to declutter you and stay organized wherever you are. So you can take it around with you because it is portable. It's got a wireless charging pad, customized storage to suit your specific needs, single layer organization, and the dual access modes. Interesting. Let's just open it and have a look, shall we? Oh, that's nice. It's magnetic. They've gone to a lot of trouble with this box. Wow, that's brilliant. I do really like that. They've gone to a lot of effort with this box. It looks brilliant. Got all the organization, all the slots and where to put everything. How do we open it? Can we just slide it out? I don't want to. There we go. Wow. That's neat. That is really good. I really like that. Ooh, it's nice. You know, everything's all cardboard so far, so this is all going to be recyclable. Let's get organised. So that's all empty now. Yep, nothing else in there. So, nope, that's the magnet. All right, so first things first. It's a hard. I think it's wood. Yeah, it's wood. It's all really sturdy. I mean, if you drop it, I don't think it's really going to damage it. Got a little. Well, there's a charging port. There's a USB-C charging port on the back there. How do you open it? So, okay. Oh, okay. Well, there's a little tab to pull up, and then you can take that across, and then open it up. Wow, that is nice. I like that. You've got a little stop fit. Hang on a minute. Does that need to be in there? It doesn't. It shows you where you can put your different things. A little organizer there. Oh wow, that's really cool. So you've got the Velcro. They're Velcro underneath. I see. Oh wow, that's cool. So that's okay, right. So it comes with a USB-C to normal USB cable, 1 meter nylon braided X vento. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 organizers, which are Velcro. So you just put them to the bottom anywhere there, and then you can organize whatever you want to put in there. It also comes with a Velcro strap, so you can strap whatever you want. I like it. It's very nice. You've got a little pocket there to put, I don't know, whatever you want to put in there. There's a little cardboard note to say what you want to put in there. And there's little slots in there. Okay, nice. Now, he did say something about so this is wireless charging on the top there. But if you do, yeah, okay, so that's cool. So you can either take the lid off, or, I mean, the way it's made, they've made a lot of effort into this because it's really well made. I mean, it's brilliant. You can either take the lid off or make sure it goes on to that bit and then open it that way. I mean, that is amazing. I'd love to have one of these on my desk to put stuff in. It looks cool. It's for men, definitely for men, I think, because it's got the organisation slots and it's just the way it looks. I mean, it's brilliant. It's not really for men, but men are going to love this, I think, a bit more than women will. Well, no, you can put your makeup stuff in there if you want to. I mean, no harm in that whatsoever. It could be used for anything. Hey, whatever you want to store in there, whatever you want to put in it. I like the way that it opens up and it's got everything that you need in there. Look at all these organisations. I don't really want to. Yes, okay. I'll take one out and because it's not mine, I don't really want to use it too much. But let's take one of those out. Okay, so we got. Yeah, we're just testing to see how rigid it is. Yeah, it's rigid. So you plug one of those in there, and then it's Velcro. So, oh, wow, wow, that's really there as well. So you can put whatever you want in there. Oh, mine doesn't fit. But I know he's got knives, pen knives. So that'll go like that. And then, oh, so that's just cardboard. So I could just take that off. There we go, like that. We've got some instructions in there as well. That's great. Let's just get all of these out. Do a little bit of organizing. Oh, there's another one. Get there in a second. There's another one there. Come on. All right, let's just undo all of it. Okay, so now we can put that one there. And look at that, that fits in like that. And that fits in there. Awesome. Put another one there, put another one there, and then put pens up there, perhaps, like that. There's a slot for pens, and then there's a slot for, I don't know, like square things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and find some things that I can put in here to show you what it looks like when it's got lots of bits in there and it's being used to its full potential, and I'm going to see what the wireless charging is like. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and now you can see that I've plugged it in with the cable provided. So now we can wirelessly charge our phone. So if we just plonk the phone over, not on this bit, it's got to be on this bit over here. This is where the wireless charger is. Plonk the phone on there, and it starts charging. Amazing. It's quite a fast charge, so it's an hour and 11, and it's at 69% at the moment. So that's not bad at all. I like that. So it's yeah, wireless charging works lovely. And it also works on earphones as well. These are Samsungs, and there's a little red light on the front. Hopefully you can see that. So it charges headphones as well, and possibly other things as well, like AirPods or whatever. So it probably charges quite a lot of different things, which is amazing. I like that a lot. Okay, so I have put some things inside so I can demonstrate what it's like to have things inside. Ta-da! Okay, so I'll just put my knife in there, and I'll put some dividers in there so you can see the slots. So we've got pen and highlighter because it is a desk organizer after all. And I've got my external hard drive there with a cable. So it's all nice and neat. And in this pocket, I've got some SD cards and USB sticks. I don't know what to put in here. Maybe some cards or money or anything like that at all. So yeah, it's really, really like this, and I think I'd like to have one for myself. So, oops, OrbitKey, if you are watching, this obviously isn't, you haven't sent this to me, but if you are watching and you do like this video, do me a favor and send one over. I'd love to have one for myself, if you don't mind. Anyway, that's it. I do recommend this. This is really, really nice, and it'd be really nice to have it in your desk, or sorry, on your desk, onto the side of your desk. So you just open it up, and you can keep. Whoops. If you open it up correctly, you can keep it open. You've got your monitor here, you've got your keyboard, and you're playing away. And it's all there. It's right there, and it's neat, and it's tidy. And then when you finish with it, you don't have to leave it there. You can put the strap on it, unplug it, the plug will go in here, take the plug and plug it inside. It does have another strap which I didn't use. So you just strap that cable up, put it inside, and then take it away. Because it is quite expensive, so you don't really want to be leaving it. Well, it depends where you work or wherever you do. You may want to leave it where you want to, or you may not want to. But I think in my case, I'll probably just leave it on my desk. But the weekends, you can take it away if you want to. So yes, I do recommend it. I think it's brilliant, and rush out and buy one immediately. Okay, so thanks for joining me. If you have liked this video and you have got this far, please give me a like. And if you want to, subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Okay, so that's it for me. I've been Lee's Tech Room. See you later. Bye.